Hi, my name is Peter Williams, and I'm in the middle of the woods in North London somewhere, lost. Um, and I'm here to do my presentation as to what sustainability means to me and how I can apply my own initiative to a building management system. So I think we should go this way. What does sustainability mean to me? I think it falls under three different categories. So we can talk about sustainability in regards to speaking about society, so how we eradicate poverty and disease and how we generally increase the well-being and quality of life of people. I believe that sustainability can fall under the category of speaking about the economy and how we try to increase productivity and growth in the most eco-friendly way. But I think the last category, and I think this is quite an important category, is how we can speak about sustainability in reference to the environment, and that's speaking about how we can cut down greenhouse gases, how we can use less fossil fuel. Sustainability in regards to buildings. A building, I feel that it falls under all three of those different categories. So how does a building use energy in the most cost-efficient, eco-friendly way, which is an environment that is healthy for the individuals that come and visit? I mean, we can talk about sustainability in regards to a building in that way to understand it. But ultimately, buildings use a lot of energy. You know, we use energy for gas, water, electricity, waste. So I guess you guys are wondering why I'm in a park and what has that got to do with energy. But I believe that nature and buildings are intertwined. So, I mean, for example, I see a building like a living organism. A living organism eats, it breathes, it reproduces, it deposits waste. Like a building consumes energy, it has a ventilation system, it has heating, it deposits waste. The only thing a building doesn't do is it does not reproduce. And now, I don't mean reproducing another building, I mean reproducing its energy and its energy consumption. So, how can we find cleaner, greener, and leaner ways of making energy in the most cost-efficient and eco-friendly way? I think the answer is kinetic energy. So, I mean, if we look at a study by MIT, MIT have found that a human being can generate over 255 kilowatts on a treadmill per year. Now that can translate to 10 to 15 calories, and that accounts to 7 light bulbs. Now, I'm not suggesting that, you know, everyone gets onto a treadmill, but what I do suggest is that gyms in places like the Wellcome Trust or like staff gyms are very good places to harvest energy. So I do believe that there are other ways of creating electricity through kinetic energy. There's a new company called Engopowerment in America, and they're doing some remarkable things in regards to harvesting energy. What they've done is created solar panel plates in which they place in public places, and simply by the public walking across these plates, they're able to harvest the energy from people's footprints. Now, I think that this initiative can be a very good way of harvesting energy for companies or buildings in London. So, I mean, if we think of the bigger picture of using kinetic energy, we can also promote things like health. So having, for example, a sustainability day where everybody in a building uses their own kinetic energy to generate electricity, we're not only promoting health, but we're also being able to power, you know, the building for one day in the year. And that could be a great scheme that could be used for companies. To conclude with this video, I have spoken about what sustainability means to me. So in regards to speaking about the environment, the economy and society. But more importantly, I have spoken about how sustainability can be applied to a building management system in the form of kinetic energy, which I feel is a step a step forward. But I feel that despite the fact that yes, it is rustic, and yes, you know, some people do say it's unrealistic, it's better to try than not try at all. So I mean that's, you know, to conclude, that's what I think. But I'm gonna I'm gonna go before it starts to rain, because we know what it's like in London. But again, I'd like to thank you for giving me this time to present my own ideas, my own understanding to this video. Thank you. Did I run now?